Energy-efficient window styles. One significant aspect of energy efficiency in residential properties is the selection of windows. Windows not only allow natural light to brighten our living spaces, but also play a vital role in regulating indoor temperatures and reducing energy consumption. Choosing energy-efficient windows for your home. Consider climate, U factor, R value, frame material, multiple panes with gas fills, and low E coatings. Professional installation ensures proper sealing and prevents energy loss. Opt for Energy Star certified windows to guarantee efficiency. Which window style is the most energy efficient? Casement windows are considered one of the most energy efficient options among various window styles. This design minimizes air leakage and drafts, making them excellent at preventing heat loss during colder months and reducing the need for excessive heating. When equipped with energy-efficient glass, such as low E coatings and double or triple glazing, casement windows provide superior insulation and contribute to a more energy-efficient home. What is the best energy-efficient glass for windows? Low emissivity refers to the glass's ability to emit low levels of radiant thermal energy. In the summer, low E glass reflects a significant portion of the sun's heat away from the interior, keeping the indoor spaces cooler and reducing the need for air conditioning. During the winter, the same low E coating acts as a barrier, preventing heat from escaping outside. It reflects the radiant heat generated indoors back into the room, reducing reliance on heating systems and conserving energy. In addition to its energy-saving properties, low E glass protects against harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. The coating blocks significant UV radiation, which can fade and damage furniture, flooring, and other interior items over time. By choosing energy-efficient windows, homeowners can enhance indoor comfort, reduce energy consumption, and contribute to a greener future. When it comes to window replacement, Raben Glass technicians understand the significance of energy-efficient solutions for our customers. Our commitment to offering a wide range of window styles and the best energy-efficient glass options ensures that you can make informed decisions that align with your needs and budget. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.